Someone recently sent me a pair of these LG earbuds. They are the tone-free with Meridian, and the model number is HPS-FN4. They have a nice premium quality to them compared to the Apple AirPods. I won't say they're better, but because of the software integration, but they do have a nice premium feel to them and a nice weight. When you pick them up, they do kind of have a premium feel to them. They do have dual microphones, which is great. They're also fast charging. It says they can do a 5-minute charge for 60 minutes worth of playtime. And they are IPX4, basically sweat-proof. They're not waterproof. Now what's funny is the magnets in the AirPods are actually in the case, whereas with the LG, the magnets are actually on the actual earbuds that go in your ears. I don't know if some people might have an aversion to that, having the magnets on the actual earbuds, but that's just something to think about. It does help them snap into the case pretty easily, but you can see they are pretty strong little magnets that can actually pick up the other pod, which is kind of funny. You can have magnet wars if you want. Some other things about these AirPods is they do have a playtime of about 6 hours, and with the case that'll give you a total of 18 hours of playtime. The case does have a premium feel, and they do snap into place pretty easily, and also that makes sure that they're charging right because they hit those little contact points. One other peculiar quirk was they had this nice Darth Vader look to them, all black, but it's funny, they come with the standard white power cable, and they do not come with a power brick, just so you know. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.